For today's video, we're unboxing the Ugreen 55 watts fast charging power bank model PB727. I got this from the Ugreen Shopee official store. So if you're looking for a compact but powerful power bank, this might be for you. So let's check it out. Inside the box, you'll get the power bank itself na meron ng built-in cable. And of course, you will have the user manual. And another charging cable is included. Napaka-simple and straight to the point. Ang maganda rin sa Ugreen is that laging maganda at organized yung packaging nila. So yung produkto is really protected. I forgot to mention na meron nga rin pala itong kasamang mini lanyard ha. So cute, diba? So these are all the contents of the Ugreen 55 watts fast charging power bank model PB727. First impression ko sa power bank na to is that super compact niya and lightweight. Perfect sa everyday carry kasi kasyang-kasya siya sa bag. And yes, light friendly din siya so pwedeng-pwedeng dalhin sa lahat ng inyong mga travel escapades. There are two ways to charge this power bank. First, pwede nyo gamitin yung built-in cable para i-charge yung power bank. Yan, maganda ang gamitin yung adapter is Ugreen na rin. And then, syempre, meron din kasi itong kasamang USB-C cable which is fast charger na rin. So, mabilis or it supports fast input kaya mabilis lang siyang ma-full charge. In just 2 hours, fully charged na to kahit drain pa ang iyong power bank. Another one na nagustuhan ko dito is meron siyang big LED display. So you can easily see the exact battery percentage. Hindi mo na kailangan manghula kung fully charged na ba ang power bank mo dahil kitang-kita mo sa kanyang malaking LED display. You can charge multiple devices dito kasi syempre tatlo yung output niya. Meron na siyang built-in na USB-C cable, tapos meron pa siyang dalawang extra port which is USB-C and USB-A. So sa ngayon, dalawa lang yung gadget na i-charge ko, yung aking iPhone 13 Pro Max at saka yung isa kong earbuds. Pero lahat ng port natin and the built-in cable, lahat po sila ay gumagana. So, diba, napakadaling gamitin. You just simply need to connect your device using yung built-in cable or any of the ports. Kasi nga, two-way fast charging naman siya. So, mabilis din mag-charge yung phone natin at saka yung gadgets natin. Good to note din guys yung iba pang nilang mga features katulad ng ang ginagamit na battery nito is yung same level na ginagamit ng mga high-end electric vehicles kaya napaka-reliable and efficient. Marami rin itong safety protection katulad ng over temperature, over current kaya mas safe gamitin and at the same time perfect siya sa mga small devices katulad ng pinakita ko sa inyo na earbuds or smartwatches. At bago ko makalimutan, kaya gustong-gusto ko rin itong built-in cable niya, no? Yung grip charging cable, kasi nylon braided siya, matibay, easy to hold while moving, kaya less chance na mahulog. Overall, this 55 watts fast charging power bank PB727 from Ugreen is super convenient, fast, and travel-friendly power bank talaga. So if you want to check it out, it's available at the Ugreen official store on Shopee at ilalagay ko yung link dito sa video and sa description and pati na rin sa comments. So please like, share, and subscribe and see you on my next unboxing video.